And today we are playing Build-A-Boat. So before you watch this video, if you want, you can go to my friend Pancake Head Does Stuff and watch his Build-A-Boat video. But I'm doing a Build-A-Boat video now, and I'm gonna show you how to make the flying machine. That's what I call it. So you're gonna need to place one block wherever, then you're going to need to place another block on top of it. Keep in mind this has to be wood. Then you're going to click this. You're going to put one there, and then you're going to do that around the entire machine. Then you're going to have to scroll down and have one of these things. Then you're going to have to click this button, the button with the arrow on it on the top. You're going to have to click that button until you make it like that. Then you're going to have to at least have one of these. You're going to go on this thing. What was that? And then you're going to place the block where you're standing. Then you're going to press launch. Then every time you jump, you should be able to get a little bit more height. And you'll be able to just zoom right through the entire level. You just have to be careful not to run into obstacles that can actually fly. The biggest thing that the biggest level that counters this flying machine is the video game level. But yeah, make sure not to go through all of the levels fast, zooming like this, because then you won't get the points for that level and you'll get less money than you usually would. Sorry. But once you've made it to the end, all you have to do is click the honey block, or whatever it is, and then you can drop down and get your money. This is a good way to get gold. But yeah, all you do is keep doing that over and over again and keep going through the entire level. And again, if you didn't hear me, make sure to jump while you are in the machine to get height. Otherwise, you'll just go down. But yeah, that's how you make the machine. Go try it out for yourself. We'll see you all in the next video.